What's going on, everybody? What's happening? Happy Wednesday. Let's do this today. For those of you that are brand new, what's going on? My name is Jeff, published author, professional trader for 18 years, primarily option trading. I traded the S&P 500 futures for 5 years, really good. And then somebody told me about this prop firm stuff. So I decided to give it a try this year. But now I'm creating a different charting system, completely different charts. Urenco charts, never even knew what those were. So a completely different system, starting from scratch, right? Trading these Apex accounts, to be honest with you, woo, I was doing good. Shit, man. Hang on. Hello, I'm live right now. What's going on? Oh, shit. Okay. All right, bye. All right. Like I said, trading the Nasdaq prop firm. But to be honest, though, this new system's kind of rough. So we're just learning it together. See what happens today. We've been spanking our evaluation counts. I've been practicing in the month of January. So in February, I'm ready to go. Ready to go. All right. Let's see what we got. Yeah, market opens up in a tiny bit. Let me just kind of get everything off to the side. See what happens today, my friends. We've been doing really good. We did take a beating the other day because we were trying something new, but that's what I'm doing in January. What's going on, John?
Good morning, Jeff.
What's happening, brother?
Just looking for another good day.
Yeah, today's going to be a great day. I'm telling you, I got the rest of this week to really perfect this stuff, and that's it. So I'm pretty zoned in what I'm going to do. Now I just need to practice, and that's it. No more craziness like before. All that crazy stuff that shit's over. So now it's focus time. So let's see what we got.
Well, we have the Fed this afternoon.
Yeah, we do. So that's going to be interesting to watch as it happens live, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What's up, Jeff?
Hey, good morning, guys. How we doing?
Oh, we're doing fantastic, brother. Fantastic. We're talking about the Fed, 1 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
We'll see how that works. Huh?
I said I can't hardly wait.
Yeah, right. Can't wait to see what those, though I do feel better about everything now. You know, they're cleaning the house. They're doing what they're supposed to do. So at least, to me, it's at least better. It's better for me. So. And I like watching it. I mean, to be honest with you, a bunch of retards out there that they're having to clean up their mess. But either way, it is today at 1, and we know that it's gonna shake things up. So, but we'll be in the room live. Actually, yeah, we'll be with I think Rebecca. So we'll see what happens. All right, y'all have a great one. We're gonna start in about 1 minute. Strap it on, and that's what we got. I did a video today on 2 things. I have an XRP video that's out, but also an Apex. I was talking about reset and rebuild. So if y'all get a chance to check it out, it's really good. It's, again, I'm just shooting these videos like a video library for me to learn more about this stuff. Now, my main goal in 2025, other than obviously crypto and I do option trading, it's to master this. And I know I feel I'm solid with this. I just got a couple other things I'm working out. My accounts reset. 3 of them I think reset tomorrow. So I don't know if they actually reset on the exact day or if it's the day after. So either way. All right, y'all.
When you canceled that account, did you remove it from Rhythmic too?
No.
In Apex, there was a remove it from Rhythmic and then restart. It's still in my list. The 300 I canceled last night.
Yeah, it's still in my list as well, but I canceled it, so I don't know what's going to happen. But yeah.
Yeah, there's a tab on there to remove it from Rhythmic, but then you have to restart Rhythmic, and I just left it. It's canceled. It's not going to renew.
Yeah, I just left it there too. I just left it.
Hey, John, you're canceled your 300. What are you doing next?
I've got 3 150s, and I made 720 on Monday, and I made 620 yesterday on one of the 150s.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm just planning on working through that. And oh, by the way, I didn't see your WhatsApp, Jeff G, until this morning. Yeah, I turned my computer off yesterday, made my 600. I decided to walk away.
Yeah. All right, let's rock, guys. All right, sorry, man. I'm trying something new here in this first 30 minutes. All right. We'll chat a little bit like Hark. All right, here we go. Let's see what happens. Market's moving down. Hit off the VWAP. I think it's synced. Yeah, it's synced. And I'm trying something new here in the first 30 minutes, just like yesterday in the afternoon as far as price action. But either way, let's see what we got here. I'm ready for those suckers to renew, though. I'll tell you that. All right, into the VWAP. And again, I'm just what the hell? Oh, I'm just experimenting here in the morning. First 30. What's up, Jason? I'm going to focus on a specific me. I got 3 different strategies I'm going to be doing. But in the morning, the first 30 minutes, I'm only focusing on one. And then I'm going to the other ones like we've been talking about. Yesterday, I made, I think it was like, I don't remember, $500 or $700. I don't know. But you take away, you take away 2 days ago in the morning when I was going crazy with contracts. I've actually won 9 days in a row. So I know I got it. I just need to stop. I'm no more messing. Like, there's no more for me. I'm not gonna go crazy anymore. So all right, so we got a swing low right down here at a dasher boom. Hit the VWAP, bounced up, and in the first 30 minutes, I'm going to try these and keep results, and we'll see how to do. Yesterday was 5 for 5, but I just got my little notepad for all 3 strategies that I'm doing. Nasdaq's down 32, Dow Jones down 5. All right, here we go. Here we go. Man, as soon as my account's reset, it is game time, man. Down here to swing low, or the RL U-turn. Again, I don't know if this morning strategy is going to be good. Yesterday was good, but I don't know. The only one I'm really confident in is my price action in the afternoon. But yesterday we also did pullback trades, and we hit those too. So again, we'll see what happens here. I'm going to trade only a certain way for the first 30 minutes. Nothing else. It's basically like our reversal trade, or my reversal trade. All right. Let's see here. Who's over there? Nasdaq. Kind of moving around. S&P is 13. Just cruising down. We got a swing low. So we hit that VWAP, and we're right down here. See what happens. Yes, you better believe it, brother. That's the only trade that I'm doing in the first 30 minutes, Jay. That's it. The other day, the price action trade, absolutely destruction in the morning, first 30 minutes. If you notice in the afternoon, I haven't lost in the afternoon price action. Shit. Long time, actually. Yeah, trigger it. Good. Break even. So again, I'm experimenting with the break even. I'm experimenting with the break even. But I don't know. I'm going to do some. This is all a test. And if the break even, if I keep getting nicked out of break even, then I'm going to remove it. So I'm going to do some with break even and some with not as a test. Because right there, if I didn't have break even, I probably would have hit it. So that's what I'm kind of experimenting with. Break even. Again, this is all experimenting. So I'm going 30, 30, and I'm moving up after 15 as a test. All right, let's see what happens. So Jason, that's what I did. And again, remember we talked yesterday, if I get nicked out with break even pretty consistently, then I'm going to remove that break even for this, but I'm going to try it. That one we made 20 bucks because I do have an offset. All right. That's a pretty nasty move. So the break, I don't know if I'd have got it or not. I really don't know. All right. We're at the 0. We're pounding down. Again, we're kind of just chopping around right now. I got these rhythmic accounts that are all destroyed. No, yesterday I did not have break even. Yesterday I did not. It was just 30-60. But I don't want to do that. I'm never going to do that again. I'm never going to have I don't care. I will never have my stop loss larger than my target ever again. That is not the way that I like to do it. Mentally, I don't like it. Yep. That's just me. So yesterday I did 30-60. Yeah, exactly. But that was a big mistake. So I don't know if I would have got stopped out or not. I don't know. Finale, Gemini. So that's what I'm going to do today. Break even. And if not, I won't do the break even. I have 3 strategies that I'm going to trade. This is one of them. Yesterday we did awesome. Actually, I think I made 700 and something yesterday. And if you take away, bam, that would have lost again. Thank God I didn't do that. So if you would have, if you take away the other morning where I had the mess ups and I was I would have been, and I was doing amazing. But because I over leveraged, I traded price action early. I hit the wrong button 3 times. I got crushed. Yeah. It's not going to work for me. Not my personality. But again, I've actually won every single day for either 9 or 10 days in a row, except that one morning. So I know everything is solid, or I wouldn't have won all those days consistently. But that morning was big. See, that was a big wick. All right. We're coming up to Dasher Boom, Rebecca's line 80. Right now, price is just bouncing around this first 10 minutes. Pretty choppy. Pretty wicked, actually. Yeah, these moves are deadly. That's it. Yeah, you know what, Jason? I've been down that path also. And I know as 18 years of trading, that's not going to be a recipe for success long term. Anytime your stop loss is greater than your target, it just takes 1 or 2 losses and you're done. All right. FOMC today. Again, I'm not doing any price action trades in the first 30 minutes, and that includes these pullbacks. Yesterday, we were doing these pullbacks, and we were 4 for 5 because we're doing them a different way. But I'm not doing any pullbacks or price action in the first 30 minutes. That's only, I'm going to do it after 9 o'clock, but I like it better after 11 o'clock. So that's the only 3 strategies that I'm going to focus on for my, probably until I, master this, at least that. And so I got 3 accounts that reset tomorrow. I think my 3 $50,000 accounts reset tomorrow. Yeah, you better believe it. But I'm not doing it in the morning. Well, I will do it after 9 o'clock. After 9 o'clock, I'll do it. But I'm not going to do it before 9 o'clock. I'm strictly looking for the reversal trades here in the morning. And I'm going to be watching that MACD like we talked about, Jason, hardcore for the price action trades. Yeah. All right, we're down here at the daily pivot. Swing low. Nasdaq's down 75. Dow Jones is up. First trade break even. Again, if I get break even quite a bit on this, I will remove the break even. This is my last week to test it out before I really go at it hardcore. Charles went short. He's trading the S&P with the daily pivot. Stochastics heading down. MACD's heading down. And again, I'm not making the adjustment. Okay, man, there you go. So that one lost. All right, so 1 loss, 1 break even. And again, I'm not going to double up, Jason. I'm not going to double up this whole day. I'm going to just do 1-1. That's it. Yeah, I didn't follow through. That whacked some people right there. A diamond. Boy, this is choppy. Charles says he doesn't trust this early move. Yeah, it's pretty choppy right now. These are difficult. But it's fine. It is what it is, right? You just trade the plan. It is what it is. All right, BB3. Headed down. Had a V. Crossing the 0. Really flickering. Really flickering. Woo! It's getting tearing up. Absolutely difficult. You have one day like this, man. You over leverage, you dead. All right, back to the swing low, kind of just chopping around the middle. Stop and reverse, stop and reverse. Oh, shit. Gemini, finale. Holy shit, this is crazy, dude. I'm not doing any price action, though, until 9. See that little green dot? Jason, we were talking about these lines. I'm going to watch that. I might wait until that green dot appears for the price action. I haven't really paid attention to that dot before. What? That's not something I've paid attention to. Yeah, you don't see the little green dot right there? I haven't paid attention to that before. What the fuck? Now you got a red dot. Well, that's good because we're not going to turn on the auto trader until it hits the level. So shouldn't that dot pop up? Maybe that dot might be the indication when we turn that auto trader on. Remember we were talking about it? Because I'm really on my price action today. I'm going to really focus on, again, after this week, it's game time, man. My goal is to pass, try to pass 3 of those evaluations in the month of February. And I'm only doing 1 contract. I'm not doubling up anymore. I'm not doing 10. I'm not doing 15 like I was being crazy. There's no follow through this morning. This is what will eat you alive. Oh, really? Well, I'm going to watch that. Because maybe we wait till that dot appears. Either way, I don't know. It doesn't matter. We'll see it in real time when it happens. All I know is this choppiness is very difficult. And if you notice, we're just kind of bouncing around on this MACD. There's been no follow through. Is it? Charles says he's still short. There's only been 2 opportunities from me. 1 break even, which I don't know. That one might have won. I don't know. It's a pretty easy strategy, though. The rules are very, very simple. Again, yesterday was 5 for 5, but again, I didn't move to break even, so I really don't know what would have happened. And I might go 30-30 with no break even and just go for it, but not yet. I'm going to have to keep experimenting with that. All right, below the 10. Man. Right here at this daily pivot. We'll see if we can bounce off the 10. This ain't doing too much. Oh my God, look what Charles put. Oh my God. This is one of those stop and reverse areas. Oh, I have nightmares about that stop and reverse. Charles, that stop and reverse. Unless you're good, it is hard, dude. Charles is a wizard. But I tried that when I was first learning the S&P, and it took me to the woodshed. It's slowing down now. This is just a chop fest. All right, the low, swing low. At 9 o'clock, I'm going to shift to my price action and pullback strategies. Finale, dude, that finale stars popped up like 3 times today. All right, just kind of bouncing around. We're holding that daily pivot. Now, Jason, that little dot popped up. See that little dot? That dot is going to be an indication when I turn on the auto trader. I'm going to do that. I'm going to use those dots today as an indicator when I turn it on for my price action. I'm not going to turn it on until the dot appears. We're at the 2. All right, we broke through it. Does the dot appear here too? Yeah, man. All right. Right at the dasher boom. See what happens. I don't know. Maybe I won't wait for the dot, man. I don't know. At least touching that area. All right, here we go. Let's go, baby. All right. Charles is long. Coming into BB1. Let's see what happens. Again, with this strategy, 1 break even, 1 lost. We'll see what happens here. Break even. Damn, 2 break evens. I don't know about that. That would have hit the target. I think I'm going to remove the break even. That's twice. I think I'm going to remove the break even on this trade. That would have been a winner. So that's 2 break evens, 1 loss. Tomorrow I'm going to remove the break even. That might not work on this one. It's just it's too jumpy. It might be one of those that it is what it is. I believe both of those would have hit the target. So with this trade, I think what I'm going to do is that's one with break even stop. Let's go to simple bracket. Remove. I'm going to go 30, 30. There's not going to be no break even, right? I don't want break even. None. Okay. That's it. I don't think I'm going to do that break even for this strategy. So I got 30, 30, and no break even. That 2 break evens. No, I didn't like it. I just think it's too volatile to do the break even. For price action and the pullbacks, yes. But for this, man, that was twice. I don't know. We can talk about it later. You can give me your thoughts, man, but it's kind of, this trade kind of is what it is. You know, it's 1-to-1, right? Either it works or it doesn't. Price action's different. But this one moves fast. And so break even, loss, break even, and I believe both of those break evens would have won. You know, the only thing I can do is trade today or trade those with it. I don't think I'm going to get another entry. And then tomorrow without it, and just keep practicing this the same way. And honestly, it is real jumpy in the morning. And 15 ticks isn't much. So, I mean, this is 1-to-1. And I believe it's going to do good. So I'm going to remove the break even tomorrow on this strategy. I'm still going to look at it right now, but tomorrow I'm going to go for it without the break even. And I'm going to practice it because I actually really like it. I mean, again, I'm going to just practice this. That's all I'm doing. You know, I'm comfortable with the other, but, you know, it is what it is, right? Hopefully we get another one pretty soon. I'd like to get one more without a break even just to see what happens. Yeah. Well, how about this? You trade it with break even and I'll trade it without. That way we can kill 2 birds with 1 stone. You know what I'm saying? We don't, yeah, tomorrow, you do it break even, I won't, and then we'll judge it. That's the only way we can do it is if we test it out. So I'll do one way and you do one way. We're doing the same strategy anyway. All right, so we're gonna be coming into 9 o'clock, and I'm gonna shift gears. So I got break even, I lost, break even. And now at the 9 o'clock hour, I'm going to be shifting to my price action and pullbacks. So what I'll do is I'll go back to 1 target, 1 stop. Let me see here. What did I have? Right there. There it is. So I'm going to go back to my target 1, 30 ticks, 30 ticks. And my break even. So I'm shifting gears now to price action. And tomorrow I'm going to try the that reversal trade without a break even. That's what I'm going to try. All right. I am now going to shift gears back to the price action. Nasdaq's down 52. All right, let's go. All right, cool. So I think we're good to go. All right. So now I'm shifting gears. Charles says he's long, dude. That's the best. This is a... Look at this. There's been no follow through on anything. I mean, look at this. Absolutely doing nothing. Chopsticks. There it is. Chopsticks, Rebecca. Wow, this is tough. And it might be because FOMC. I don't know. I'm still looking at this as sideways. Yeah. I'm not going to trade anything in this mess. I will not turn on any auto trader at all in this chop fest. This is Rebecca loves this, but I am nowhere near close to as good as her. She created this software. She knows all the stuff. You know, I've got my signals that I'm focusing. You know, if we can get through this, dasher boom, then I think I'm going to start looking at the price. All right. So now this is what we talked about. This is where I'm going to zone in. Okay. So now I'm switching gears to my diamonds. We have a lot of support right here. Make sure all right. We're not stacked yet either. If we get stacked, I'll do pullbacks like we talked about yesterday. Up here at Sweet 70. Okay, we are stacked now. So now it's all sorts of stuff. All right, we're at that 0. Still choppy. Still choppy. Flopping around like a little noodle. All right. Again, we're back inside this mess. Man, this is tricky though. This is right inside this disaster. Based on what we talked about yesterday, I'm not turning it on right this second. We have a higher low. We have a higher low. To the downside, we need a lower low. That's the first component. Without a lower low, no dice. This is tricky. It's kind of just bouncing around at that 55. There we go. Lower high. Again, we've got a higher low. Still sideways. BB-1, whatever that means. It's a robot from Star Wars. It's kind of flickering around. Still choppy. It's kind of doing much anything. How's it have to end? Sweet 70 could go up to VWAP. S&P's flat. Everything's flat. It's a hard pullback right now. Just watching. It's pretty choppy, man. Pretty choppy. I think I would be right now probably break even or up if I wouldn't have had that break even stop today. This is crazy. I'm not gonna lie, time goes by so fast because there's so much things going on. Time goes by so fast. I can't believe it's already 9. I'm not before watching the ES, it seemed like it was forever. Now this thing is moving so fast. There's colors everywhere. It's like crazy. Double star on the 6. thing's flopping around like a little freaking noodle. You have some support right here, 21,545. I still don't know what this star means over there. I want to say finale, but that doesn't make any sense to me. I don't know what that is. It's kind of flopping around. Maybe one. What's up, Brendan? Whew, it's crazy. Thank God I escaped that one. Brendan, what up? This is Chop Fest. All right, we got a lower low. All right, lower low. Now we're cruising. This is really volatile right now. This is tough. Those pullbacks, I wanted to do it, but man, this sucker's moving like warp speed. I am not comfortable doing that. No, man, I wanted to take it, but I'll be honest. It's too fast. It was too fast. I can't take it. It's too fast. Wow, no wonder that pull. Maybe I'm just going to do the pullback in the afternoon. It's too fast, and not the diamond, but the pullback that we did yesterday. It's too fast in the morning. I can't catch it. So I'm only going to focus on the diamonds right now. So that's the reversal trade at 9, the diamonds from to options in the afternoon. I'll do the pullback. It's too volatile. I can't catch that pullback this morning. I don't have a mechanical rule yet, too. It's like, so no. That's only going to be in the afternoon when it's not so violent, like yesterday. We hit 4 or 5 yesterday. Got a dot on the 2. On the 0. Wow. Crazy. This is tricky. Kick right off that. See, look at that. That star was up here. It changed. Now it disappeared. What the hell does that mean? This is I think this is all about survival mode. Shit. Charles says grace period invoked. Still got a lower high. But now we're stacked back. I'm not doing any of these pullbacks here in the morning. I just don't know. I don't know how to handle it. I'm going to be honest with you. It has to be mechanical. The only way for it to work is it has to be mechanical. And I don't have a mechanical rule. And it's moving too fast. Yeah, it's moving too fast. Yep. See, I would have taken that trade and I would have lost. So thank God, dude. Wow. Would have lost. Yeah, no way. No way. Only diamonds right now. We have a lower high. A lower high, a higher low. This is more neutral. It's crazy. This thing is moving at absolute warp speed, bro. Absolute warp speed. Kind of just flopping around. Implied volatility is 50%. Damn. Kind of had that little hook up, bounce down off the VWAP. Fucking crazy. Yeah. You know, let me look at that right now. I'm going to go to the QQQ. %. Damn. All right, brother. Sort it out. Fuck, dude. It's 50% volatility. No wonder it's a chop fest. Holy shit. You're right, bro. This is psycho. Typical on FOMC days. I guess I never really cared too much about the volatility. But maybe that's why I can't do these pullbacks are just too they're too fast. They're too fast. And when I start trading those evaluation accounts again, like tomorrow or the next day, whenever it resets, I gotta be smart, man. I can't blow those sumbitches up like I did. And then implied volatility. Look at that. There's no trend. We still have a higher low. This is still sideways. Jeez. Grace period invoked. All right. A lot of stuff here. All right. We're just kind of flopping around. 47.50. Is there anything at 9:30 or anything? Crude oil, but that's orange. The big one's at 1, like you said. Wow. I mean, this is a trend trader's nightmare. If Pat is trying to trade these trends, he is having an awful time doing it. What's up, Andy?
Early today.
All right. What'd you call this? The God, what the hell did you call this? It's so funny.
Oh, alien shit.
Alien shit. Yeah, this is the alien shit, dude. we're zoning in though, you know. Couple bad days, you know, some really good days, couple bad days, learning the lesson, but we're figuring out this alien shit. At least we're getting better every day.
Yeah,
that's all awesome. That matters, right? Alien shit is fun. It's fun. I'm telling you what, though, it's pretty crazy to watch.
A lot of colors,
dude. Lots of colors. Lots of colors. Things are moving fast. Crazy. But thanks for being here, brother.
Yeah.
All right, so we are, guys, we're sitting right at that BB1. Again, I guess that's just the Bollinger Band 1 right after the VWAP. Possible support level. Stochastics headed up. You know, lower zone. I don't know. Right now we're just sideways, so that's all I can say. We do have a higher high, which is the first component I'm looking for. So I might give it a shot here in a minute, maybe. Could pull into a support level. We were talking about that. Maybe we can get up here through that SS70. Okay. We have a golden fib up here. Just literally chopping around this area. You can draw like a pennant. We're still sitting here. This is a higher high. We're above the 0. We're heading into resistance. Right here at resistance. I know Rebecca probably shorted that. I want to go long on price action, but honestly, I'm just too leery. All right. Wow, that was fast. All right, we're on the 2. Higher low. 0. We're at the 0 line. Higher low. Did not hold. The 0 didn't hold. Now we're chopping back around again. Holy crap, this is crazy. Alien shit, Andy. That's what this is, some alien shit. But I'll be honest, we've done really good. I mean, had I not had that break even stop I don't know, but this is really good to stay out of this stuff. So
I stepped out. I must have missed something.
what'd you miss, brother?
Oh, I don't know. You're screaming alien shit. I thought I missed something.
No, I'm just saying it's fucking moving like a maniac. Like a maniac. Lower low. Lower low. First component. We're below zero. Second component. All right, let's see what we got here. 55 angle down. No, I just like saying the alien shit because it's fucking crazy, dude. And I want to do these pullbacks, but it's just, they're too deadly. I think this, unless you're good, which obviously not at this signal, I'm not good. I did it yesterday in the afternoon. It's so much slower. I'm only looking right now for price action. Between 9 o'clock and about 9:40 or whatever, it's just price action for me. I don't think I'm going to do any pullback trade until the afternoon when it's not so fast, even though today's FOMC, so who knows? Unless we can come up with the mechanical rule, I don't know. They are both below 8. We are stacked. I could give it a try as a test. You know what? Fuck it. I'm going to give it a try. I don't know when I'm going to do it, though, but I'm going to give it a try. All right. So we've got us a swing low. Just watching this hook up. Man. See, I'm just too leery. Shit. I would have made it too. I got burned so bad on those pullbacks that I've just got nightmares, man. But we are cruising. We can come up here to that 55 area. What does Rebecca say? You go up there, I gonna short you? She would have shorted him, but I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna test it out. The test. 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 I'm gonna write this down. If it's, I'm gonna be careful with this price action in the morning. It's only a test. In order to figure out the lesson, you got to do it, though. Again, this is a simulation account. That's at least the only thing positive. It's a simulation. Okay. Well, that shit didn't work. So I'm going to write that down. It's simulation. I've got to learn whatever lesson this is. Which is, maybe I should have stuck to my plan. Don't do that fucking price action or that pullback. All right. Man, maybe that pullback might just be too hard in the morning. What the hell just triggered? I had something that just triggered. I don't even know what just triggered. My shit went crazy. My shit just went crazy. What the hell just triggered? I didn't even hit nothing. See? I got to work out those bugs. What the fuck just triggered, dude? Oh, wow. Did y'all trigger right here on anything? I don't even think I had anything on.
The only thing I got was an alert from toss for the bottom of the hour.
Oh, I got fucking noises going off everywhere, dude. I don't know why, but toss just fucking makes noises. I'm like, ding, it's always making noises, dude. Well, something went off. Maybe I trigger. I don't know. Either way, this is crazy. Well, that pullback, that ain't happening again in the morning. That was good. I'm glad I took that because I ain't gonna be doing that. That pullback. I'm talking about those pullbacks. No, that's too hard, dude. In the morning, no way. Too hard for me. Actually, everything seems pretty difficult right now. Just kind of flopping around. Not doing much. At support. Yeah, this is nuts. It's a lot less violent in the afternoon, I'll tell you that. Except today. Today's probably going to be real violent. TPP line. Right at resistance. TPP, the pivot. Right here, a lot of congestion. Man. Very difficult. All right, so here, a little bit, pretty soon, I'm going to lock it and come back in the afternoon. I'm going to be trading it all day today. Through the FOMC, I'm going to be watching it like everything. Got 3 days to really iron out some stuff, and then we're going to, all that stuff resets. And then we gotta pass that shit next month. Gotta pass that shit. Yeah. Charles says there's no prediction. Yeah, I'm not doing that pullback shit again, dude. Well, this trying to catch it is too volatile. I don't have a good rule that allows me to do it. The only thing I can think of is do a buy limit order. That's the way I was doing it before. All right. But I was trying to catch that knife as it fell. You know what I mean? I could do that. Could do that. When we're stacked. It didn't work before because I was trying to go for too much profit. You know what? I'm going to try it as a test. I'm going to do a buy limit order right there. A buy limit order on that low. So basically, we went down, we pulled up. So I'm going to put a buy limit order right there on that low. We are stacked. So I'm going to try it. Again, it's simulation, so it is what it is. This has been very difficult, these pullbacks. I have taken an absolute beating on these pullbacks. And look at that, again. These pullbacks are hard, man. Whenever you try to catch it like that, I don't know how they do it. I do not know how they do it, man. But that I've taken 3 of those and lost. Well, I've taken 2 and lost both of them. I'm getting this crap out in simulation so I can tell myself, stop trying to take that shit. Every time I try to take that pullback like that, I lose. Every time. I have no idea how they do it. But I'll tell you what, I've taken 2 of them and lost them both. And it's simulation. So this is reaffirming to me, maybe that's not a trade that I want to do. Because for some reason, I can't figure it out. Oh, well. That trade is difficult. I got to have some mechanical rules or I cannot do it. This is crazy. Alien shit. This is straight up alien shit. No, I don't know what her trigger is, man. I wish I did. I don't know anything that she's doing. Anything. I have no idea, brother. That's a question that maybe we can ask because, again, I'm not worried. You know, this is practice, and this is just kind of telling me in my brain when I trade that evaluation account, don't do the pullback. Don't do the pullback unless we can figure out what her trigger is. You know, because I tried it twice and it didn't work both times. Yesterday it worked 4 out of 5. So either way, I don't know. This is too crazy for me. So I'm going to lock it. And then I'm going to jump into options. And then I'm going to come back. I'm going to be trading this all afternoon. So we'll do options here right now inside the school. Kind of get my mind and be like, damn, kind of process how crazy that was. And then I'm going to jump in the afternoon And then we'll chat. We'll come off the mic. We'll talk about, figuring out. Just in the morning, it's too high powered. It's too high powered, and I seem to get really distracted. So in the afternoon, it's less crazy. So then we can talk more. But in the morning, I think it's too fast, man. I can't really go at it. So for those of you on YouTube, we're about to jump into our options coaching. We'll see y'all back here tomorrow.